So we're going to be, Chris and I are going to be working on that offer. So I took the students to that facility. It was a boat and RV storage. And we walked around, we counted all the bays, we calculated all the square footage. And actually we asked some of the people that were there was a couple of people there like parking their RVs and stuff, because it's a really nice kind of like covered boat and RV storage place. We asked a couple of people, like, what are you getting charged per month? And they told us like it was $100 for their bay or whatever. So we calculated $100 and like kind of calculated the whole thing up. And really just by being there, looking at the facility, counting all the bays up, and really kind of just running the numbers that way, we figured out what our offer is going to be, and we're going to put the offer in tomorrow. So and that's with the owner really not giving us any information. It's just a little bit of information. Now obviously when we put the offer in, we're going to say like, this is our offer based on these numbers, right? This is what we're calculating. If you let us know if you're making more or less, and we can we can renegotiate the offer. But essentially for not knowing any information and just driving around and looking at your facility, calculating all your square footage up and calculating your numbers, this is what our offer is. Right, so we'll just put the offer in. And in fact, we do that quite often. We just put in offers, just to see what happens. And this is how we've gotten so many storage facilities under contract. And but anyway, so I wanted to show you how we found so many owners in literally like a day. I mean, Karen put the list together, all right? And then Chris called the list. And then after Chris called the list, we met, and then we decided which facilities we were going to go to. I picked the 10 facilities of the owners. Out of all of those people, we found 10 facilities that want offers right now. Okay. And out of those 10 facilities, 5 of them wanted them like immediately, and then 2 of them could meet us. So we concentrated on those 5. And so for our infield training day, we drove to all 5 of those facilities. All the students got to walk around, and we got to run numbers and try to figure out what offers we could put in. And then so we did not make it to all 5 facilities, even though we were the entire day driving around. We only made it to 5 facilities and got to talk to 2 owners, and it was a great day. But I still have 5 more facilities that I have to go to and come up with offers in the next couple of days, and that's what I'll be doing. But essentially I wanted to show you how I find my facilities, because everybody that I talk to says, I can't find any facilities, right? But the truth of the matter is that if you create a system exactly right, the way that I just did it, you should be able to find facilities to buy. And if you cannot talk on the phone to the owners and get facilities to give you the information that you need, you are not the right person to be talking on the phone. And also another thing is, if you say, I've been looking for facilities, but I can't find anything to buy, that means that you are not doing it correctly, and you should really work with somebody that can help you to put the system together and do it correctly, right? Because the truth is that we are finding owners that want offers, right? Now, whether or not those numbers match up, whether or not like we actually come to an agreement, that's a different thing. But we are finding owners that want us to give them offers. And this is exactly how we did it. Okay. All right, good. Okay, cool. So that is my spiel, and I'm sticking to it. Make sure you check out storagenerds.com. The doors are closed to Storage Nerds right now because I'm concentrating on helping my students find deals and put them under contract. But the doors will be open in May, so you can get onto the wait list, right? So make sure you get onto the Storage Nerds wait list, number 1. If you have any questions, put them into the chat, and I can help you to answer those really quickly.